everybody. I'm Bunkie.
I'm Trie. And I'm KK, and we're the Vineyard Chicks. So this year, Dad planted a garden, and it has been so successful that we now have a mountain of zucchini. So we're overwhelmed, and we pretty much have zucchini coming out of our ears. And we don't really know what to do with them. So we decided to preserve them to help elongate their life. We know of 3 ways that we can preserve them. The first way we can preserve them is to dehydrate them. We slice some zucchini and put it in our dehydrator. And when it's finished dehydrating, it would look something like this. It's so much lighter, and the water is gone, so that it'll help it have a longer shelf life, sort of like a chip.
And it tastes amazing.
The second way we know of is to vacuum seal them. We use Ziploc vacuum seal bags with a Ziploc vacuum seal pump. Before we start, I want to emphasize how important it is to wash your hands before dealing with vegetables. Because if you don't, you might end up with disease in your food, and you might forget about it, and when you cook it, everyone in your family could potentially become sick. So, you're going to take your bag, you're going to open it, and fill it with your zucchini and yellow squash. Sorry. How much are we putting on? As much as you can.
Okay. More squash.
That should be good.
Oh, more squash.
And then you're going to seal it like you would with a normal Ziploc bag. And you're going to take the pump, put it on this hole, and suck all the air out of it. It might take a little while, but after it's done,
That looks so cool.
it will look something like these.
I don't think we did that in.
The next way we know of is to use a food saver. So before we started, I made a bag by sealing this end of it. Trie here is going to cut about this big so that it's a bag. Do it straight. There you go. And now it's a bag. It's sealed on one end and it's open on the other.
And it's not straight.
And now, after you've washed your hands, you're going, not again, just before you start, you're going to fill this bag with zucchini like you did with the Ziploc bag. If you did that.
Eat again.
Don't use that.
I'm trying.
After it's filled, you're going to try to flatten it out so that it has as much zucchini or yellow squash as it can.
With these bags, there's a smooth
This should be
side
enough.
and a
With
rough
these
side.
bags, there's a smooth side and a rough side.
The smooth side goes up.
The smooth side goes up. I'm going to try to... You're going to put the plastic inside the sealing strip. Like that. And hold this. We're going to push down. And this will suck out all of the air from the bag. And seal it. And seal it. Block it. It's finished sealing. It will change its tone, and you will have a bag that looks like this.
Is it time to seal?
No.
We're going to give it time to seal, and when it's done,
Release.
it will release, and we'll have a bag that looks almost exactly like the Ziploc.
Ta-da! Air
The third way we know of,
Can you get one?
fourth way, no, third way is to manually do it. If you don't have access to vacuum sealed Ziploc bags for food savers, we do have links in the description for these items. You can use a straw and average Ziploc bag that you probably have at home. You fill it up with your squash. You put the straw in the corner. Seal it, other than the straws area. And suck out all of the air. Definitely not embarrassing.
Suck.
Fine. It's not as good as the Food Saver Ziploc, but it's good enough.
It takes the air out of it, and that's what you want when you freeze them.
You have to make sure you seal it all the way before you freeze them, or else you risk letting more air in.
These have been the 3 ways that we preserve our zucchini and yellow squash. Thank you for... If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. You can donate to our fund for a drum set by either purchasing organic food boxes from MontichelloSellers.com or donating $1 or $2 at paypal.me/Vineyard Chicks. Thank you so much.
Welcome to Sakai. Prepare to meet the garden master in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What are you doing?
I'm the Lord of Sparkles.
Are you cleaning